In the next 6 months, I plan on landing a full-time SWE offer, and specifically FAANG or FAANG Plus. That is the goal. And is it ambitious? I guess, but I think it's definitely possible, at least for me. And you must be wondering how I plan on doing that. So, just to give a little bit of context, I just graduated, or actually not yet. I'm graduating next week, and I'm currently doing an internship uh, for SWE, and hopefully by December I would have found, or I would have accepted a full-time SWE offer. And you must be wondering, well, how are you graduating and then also doing an internship? I plan on also doing my master's, so I'll be graduating with my master's next year this time, and so I need to find a full-time SWE offer before I finish my master's. And so that's basically the entire plan. And the first step on how I plan on doing that is LeetCode, of course. That is probably not going away like in the foreseeable future. And yeah, basically just cranking out the NeetCode 150. I think it's just pretty standard, like really nothing too fancy. The 150, of course, doing LeetCode specific problems depending on which company I'm interviewing for. Just making sure I have a grasp of the fundamentals. And yeah, the second part is definitely system design. So one key difference between applying for SWE internships and actually like full-time, like new grad slash like entry level positions is that system design is like a huge, I wouldn't say like a huge portion, but you will definitely be asked system design questions. And so definitely like preparing for that, just getting myself more familiar with system design questions and concepts. I think there's like a good website. I forget what it's name. It's like somethinginterview.com. I don't really know, but basically it just kind of like helps prepare you for like system design stuff. And then there's also designing data intensive applications, which I've already started reading. And yeah, that's basically how I plan on doing systems design. And then the third part that I think is actually the most critical, and that's actually generating as much luck as possible for myself. And basically how that looks is basically how I look at it is that you're increasing the surface area for which opportunities can land at your feet. And one way you can do this is actually like networking. I know lots of people don't even like networking and just like everything that comes with that. But I think, if you kind of want to play the game, networking is something you have to do. So that's something I've been doing for like the past like 2-ish years. So um, reaching out to people who work at companies that I want to work at, ideally people that I already know or have like some sort of common interest. And yeah, that's basically one way I plan on increasing the surface area for luck, basically. The second aspect is, I think, creating projects that people actually use and also like just talking about them, whether it's like publicly or maybe with people who may be able to put you in touch with people you want to aspire to be like career wise. And so yeah, I've just been posting like a lot more like on LinkedIn, some of my projects, and that has helped like tremendously. One of my projects actually I posted to Reddit. Basically it was like a citation tracker for like my city, and you can kind of like see like parking tickets getting like written up in real time, like the locations. And so, but yeah, I basically just posted to like the subreddit for like my city, and like it kind of like went like viral. And so I kind of like got in touch with like a lot of people, which was really cool. And yeah, that's just like another way you can like increase your luck. And yeah, those are like the three things I plan on doing for the most part. Everything else is kind of like outside of my control. Of course, like tailoring my resume. There's only really so much you can do with that. But yeah, that's basically the entire plan. I really don't know how often I'll be doing updates, but yeah, I'm just posting this here as a form of accountability for myself. But yeah, alright, see you.